Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best garden hose in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Gurden Tools 92630 Poly Lawn and Leaf Rake with Fiberglass Handle, 31-inch. The Gurden Tools rake did an average job at raking and wasn't hard to use. It has a limited lifetime warranty. Lightweight at just over 3 pounds, the Gurden Tools rake has poly tines with a fiberglass handle. It has a wide head for catching debris and measures 72 inches. It is longer than some of the rakes we tested, so it may not be the best option for a shorter person. If you're below 5'5", it might be a little uncomfortable to use. It had good performance on flat terrain, but was very damaging to my lawn. That being said, it was great at catching debris and barely left anything behind with its wide head and sturdy tines. Because of this, it makes a good pick for clearing pine needles. Number 2. Gurden Tools Adjustable Gardening Leaf Rake, Lightweight Steel Handle Yard Rake. 22 tines leaf rakes for lawns, 42 to 60 inches rakes for lawns. Extendable design. Hold the pole head with one hand and the other hand in the handle. Press clockwise to rotate the handle. You can adjust the handle length from 43 inches to 66 inches. Use it for any people. High-quality material. This garden rake is made of high-quality plastic, which is very sturdy and durable, and won't harm the roots of other plants when you use it in your garden and vegetable garden. 22 teeth. This leaf rake has 22 rake teeth. Each tooth is reinforced for durability and compactness, so it won't snag on leaves, and it's easy to gather leaves and other debris. MULTIFUNCTIONAL. This yard rake is great for garden, leaf, lawn, artificial grass, and weeding. This leaf rake is very lightweight and very easy and effortless to use. Number 1. Jardinier Leaf Rake. 63-inch rake for leaves, lightweight leaf rakes for lawns, adjustable garden yard rake, metal lawn rake for leaves and grass. Adjustable rake with protective tines. With flexible tines, this leaf rake will not pull your lawn grass off like those rake for leaves with stiff sheet tines. Extend the handle of yard rake to match your raking height perfectly. 1 rake equals 2. Suitable for both wide and narrow area. Expand the leaf rake head to easily rakes up leaves, clippings, and loose lawn debris in wide area. Compact the yard rake width to 7 in tight areas like under hedges or between flower beds. Note: this rake for leaves is not designed for heavy-duty use such as rock or heavy materials. Lightweight yet durable. Upgrade thickened aluminum handle. This leaf rakes for lawns is improved to be both lightweight and durable, thus save effort and less fatigue after long-time work. Top-class metal construction makes this leaf rakes for lawns long-lasting for years.